remain vigilant about how the emergence of new technologies, the way that they become ubiquitous in our lives, the way that virtual spaces are increasingly akin to physical spaces, will require the court to consider very complex questions and to seek technical advice, because these are technologically complex questions. What is your view on how the court should seek such technical expertise?
Jon Ossoff is the youngest senator at 35, and he understands the landscape of technology. He understands how this will shape our lives in the future and the implications of cases that will be heard before the Supreme Court. I think about my hometown senator, Richard Blumenthal, and his embarrassing line of questioning to then Facebook, now Meta.
Will you commit to ending Finsta?
We don't actually do Finsta.
How we live our lives in virtual spaces is a really important legal question at the highest level. Will it be unreasonable search and seizure to look through our dialogue in these virtual spaces, our actions maybe in the metaverse? Can that be evidence in a court of law? This is a question that's right at the heart of our freedom and our privacy.
Again, I want to urge you, should you be confirmed, as I'm confident you will, to vigorously defend the constitutional rights of American citizens against unreasonable search and seizure in the context of new technologies.
We can appoint justices to the court that we trust to make sound decisions, who will interpret the Constitution well and apply legal precedent fairly, and who will consider all of the facts of the case. And that is something entirely different from the technical expertise necessary to understand the context of a case and the implications of a decision in that case.
If, for example, one such method of seeking advice is through amici, what's the importance of understanding the provenance and origin and funding source of such briefs submitted to the court?
I have not looked at the court's rules. I would certainly want to discuss with the court's other justices the ways in which determinations are made about which amicus briefs are received and what disclosures are related to them. But the court does receive amicus briefs in cases in order to inform itself so that it can make a decision related to the issues in a case.
We can imagine a world where Meta puts a lot of resources towards experts writing up these amicus curiae briefs, gathering facts and making arguments toward a decision that would favor Meta or other large corporations. This puts us in a really scary place, because who has the resources to make the argument on the other side?